Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WDYM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, is an acronym for What do you mean? People use it when they want someone to clarify or explain something they just said. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WM first showed up in the early 2000s with the rise of internet texting and instant messaging. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and online communities. Now let's check out how to use WM in a sentence. Correct example 1. She texted me WIM after I sent a confusing message yesterday. Correct example 2. I wasn't sure about his text, so I replied, DYM? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said WIM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using dumb right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap means an acronym for what do you mean? It started in the early 2000s with texting, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence within the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.